Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool that can help you grow your business effortlessly. If you're tired of juggling multiple applications for your marketing needs, you're in the right place. Let's talk about Acumbamail. Acumbamail, grow your business with high-converting email campaigns and landing pages. Why email marketing? With all the latest marketing trends popping up, you might be wondering, is email still relevant? The answer is a resounding yes. Email marketing remains the top channel for ROI, and with Acumbamail, you can harness its power without the hassle. What is Acumbamail? Acumbamail allows you to create high-converting email campaigns and stunning landing pages in just minutes. You don't need to be a tech wizard to make it work. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing pro, Acumbamail is designed to simplify your email marketing journey. Let's talk about some of the amazing features. Comprehensive real-time analytics to track your campaigns. Subscriber list management to keep your audience organized. Email marketing workflows that send emails based on audience behavior. Customizable landing pages that convert visitors into customers. With these tools at your fingertips, you can reach your audience at the right time with the right message. Section 4, Pricing and Plans. Now let's talk pricing. Acumbamail offers a lifetime deal starting at just $79. That's a massive 91% off its regular price of $839. There are multiple tiers available to fit your business needs. License Tier V91. License Tier 2, $109. License Tier 3, $259. License Tier 4, $39. Plus, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. How awesome is that? Call to Action 311. So, if you're ready to level up your email marketing game and grow your business without increasing your workload, head over to the link in the description below and grab your lifetime access to Acumbamail today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more marketing tips, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use Acumbamail for your business. See you next time.